Hey Hans fan, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen. And guys, hope you're having an amazing weekend, cause Charlie, this season weather is the perfect time to enjoy your homemade pounded fufu, which I bring to you at your doorstep, and with some local light soup recipe made by yourself. Stay with me as I take you through the step-by-step process of making this amazing recipe. So I'll start by peeling my cassava and plantain and wash it very well and transfer it into my clean saucepan. Add good amount of water and put it on fire to cook till it's ready. Don't forget to cover your plantain and cassava with some clean rubber, as you can see on your screen. This is going to trap the heat in the saucepan to cook your plantain and cassava very well. Make it soft. Yes. So Hans fan, I will be enjoying my fufu with my local light soup. This recipe you can find on my channel at Hans Kitchen. You can find amazing soup recipes which you would love. So guys, visit my channel, Charlie, visit it and you would love it. And my amazing fan, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family, and Charlie, you would love it. Also, don't forget to invite your friend onto this channel by sharing the link to your friends out there to subscribe to this amazing channel. After some good amount of minutes, let's check up on the cassava, and I think guys by now my cassava and plantain will be ready. Guys, will be ready, and we'll start with the fufu pounding. Hey my niggas, everything is set. BBI ready. We're about to pound the fufu, Charlie. So as usual with the fufu pounding, The first thing to pound is your plantain. So I'll pound all my plantain first, put it in my clean bowl, and pound my cassava. Charlie, hands fun. Take your pens, take your books, and get ready as I give you the tips on how to pound your fufu. So this is it. When you pound your fufu, you turn it to prevent your cassava or plantain from spreading all over the place, as you can see on the screen. So I pound, I turn, I pound, I turn, or pound and twist, pound and twist. Yes, that is it. Perfect. This is going to prevent your cassava or your plantain from spreading all over the place when pounding your fufu. So from this point going, when everything has come together, you need not turn or twist it when pounding. So guys, you just pound straight and you are good to go, as you can see on your screen. It's very simple. It's simple as ABC, but the truth be told is that it's not easy, Charlie. Baby, you're not body nyayo, but it's part of it. The exercise is good for your body. That's it. So I'm done pounding my plantain. The next thing is to pound my cassava. And Charlie, guys, you already know it. EBN pound. Yes, that is it. I mean, you pound more, you eat more. Oh, pounding now will be kakra. It's if phone be ready, no, I mean kakra. Yes. Baby, naturally, we set. So that's it. So enjoy it. Watch it carefully, and you get what I mean. You get the skills, Charlie. That's it. I know for sure you guys are going to say this in the comment section that I like food. Guys, Charlie, I don't like food. Oh, yeah, I like food, but I don't love food. Yeah, I know you guys are going to say I love food. I don't love food, I just like it. I just try and enjoy it. I'm just eating just a little, Charlie. Midi kakra. Where are they? So I come again with another tip. As you are pounding, then you are sprinkling just little water on the fufu to soften it. So Charlie, just be sprinkling little amount of water from time to time. That's if it's very hard for you to soften your fufu. So we are done with the first batch or first round. So I'll put it into my clean bowl and continue. Repeat the same process. Begin with the pounding of your cassava till it becomes the fufu as you see. So So we are just going to repeat the process. That is it basically. So at this point, I'm going to mix the pounded plantain with the pounded cassava together. Make sure everything mixes very well. So at the beginning stage, just don't pound it too hard, just a bit normal so it mixes properly or mixes well. Then after, if it's still hard for you, you continue to pound till it's soft. That is it. Simple as ABC.
We tired. Yes, I am here. Trouble for moon tomb. Because Shall hire me. That's why you do because of video, because of machine. But my machine is too much everything is bad. We see exercise. Sometimes work on machine. If there are people around, now she some bit to me our normal. Say one corner now she say brain then you go to the machine. But this is good, guys. This is good. It's healthy too, shall we? Yes, awesome.
Charlie Hands fan. This one is husband material, Charlie. Husband material. 1 billion yards. At this point in time, I'm calling for application. If you want to be my girlfriend, want to be my wife, just bring your application, Charlie. Bring your application so that you're vetted and approved by. Yeah. So at this point in time, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and share this video with a friend, and Charlie, they would love it. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Tell me how you see this video so I bring you more of amazing, sumptuous, and beautiful videos. Hans Kitchen, your diet, my headache. Ejane pa ed, Charlie. Big ups to you all. At this point in time, my pounded fufu is ready, guys. It's ready. So this video, I'm sure you've learned something new to add to your cooking skills of making your own pounded fufu at home. See you with another video. Bye, guys.